Hello everyone, I'm Yuguang Zheng, a second master year student studying electricity engineering in Delft. Before I came here, I used to be an electricity engineer working for China Architecture Design and Research Group. My job was to design the electric circuit in buildings. And after learning this course, I found it if I can make a Excel form for all the electric devices in my design, it makes my job much easier and the calculations are much clearly to see. So I choose my last job for an example and try to make the data form. And in row A, I typed in all the serial number of the electric boxes. In row B and row C, I filled in the location of the electric boxes. In row B, I list the floors of the electric boxes: underground, ground, floor 1, 2, 3, and a roof. All the building can be divided into 16 file rooms, and row C displays the file room numbers. Row D tells us how large the file room number is. Of course, the locations are not very important, we can just hide them. If they are needed, we can unhide them. For row E, I calculated the load for the area and decided the capacity of the electric box. We all know that the electric box can be not working alone, so we need cables to connect the transformer and the electric box. To choose the right cable, I use the VLOOKUP function. The capacity is the lookup value, and I made the table to the selection table. The most important is the two-range lookup. In this way, we can choose the right form of the tables. For example, when it's 11.5, it's 2.5 multiplied by 4 standard, and when it comes to 12 kilovolts, it's 4 multiplied 4 is the next level. To give a description of the electric box, I also use the VLOOKUP function and the left function. If a serial number is begin with the letters match the description table, we return a suitable description. For this, it's light socket, the normal node, and we have some other kind of description for here. To distinguish the normal power supply and the emergency power supply, I use the if or left function. When the serial number is begin with the AL or the AX, so it's a normal power supply. Otherwise, it's an emergency power supply. We can collect all of this. At this time, I have been classify all the types of the electric boxes and calculate the power cross section. So what I can do next is to make the pivot table. It can be done in this way. I have already done it too. At first, I made a total pivot table because the customers always like to ask the electricity engineer about the architecture questions. So I summoned all the file area and got the total one, and also count for the serial number for each area room. And second table is the transformer table. I summed up the emergency load and the normal load. Because the normal load can be working together at the same time, so to select the transformer number, I use the E function and multiply the factor 0.5 by the normal load, and I choose the transformer number, and Then we use the load to multiply the transformer number and get the load for each transformer. We don't need to worry about the emergency load because all the transformer load should be cut down after there is a fire or some emergency stuff going on. This is my work. Thank you for watching.